Offshore wind is a massive, massive industry. Hi, I'm Jeannie, and I'm the terminal manager at the New Bedford Marine Terminal. We are located 30 miles north of 9 offshore lease areas. If you put it on top of a map, it would cover the tip of the Cape all the way to Boston. So this is a ginormous area in the Atlantic Ocean. Once those 9 lease areas are all filled, we'll see hundreds of turbines in our ocean generating clean energy for Massachusetts. The New Bedford Marine Terminal is really special. It is the first of its kind built for offshore wind in the entire United States. This facility is super important to the process because the manufacturing facilities for the blades, the nacelles, and the towers are all in separate locations. They do not come together for pre-assembly until they are on this site. We have a really long quayside, so we can fit a couple of vessels in at a time. The terminal is a massive 20-acre area and has a really high bearing capacity, so you can put super heavy components on the surface without them sinking into the ground. Once the turbines complete pre-assembly, they're loaded onto a different vessel to be installed at sea. And these turbines in particular are so powerful, just one rotation can power a home for 2 days. There's a very diverse workforce that is here at the terminal, from management jobs, coordination, logistics, quality control, tug workers, iron workers, pile drivers, longshoremen, welders, painters, electricians, millwrights, rope access technicians, and many other jobs.
My name is Sonia Brito. I'm from New Bedford. I'm a local. I've been here my whole life. I found out about a pre-apprenticeship called Building Pathways South. And I went through the program and they taught me about unions, and I found the millwrights and I thought it was super cool. I work for Local 1121. Millwrights started as carpenters because back in another time, mills were all made out of wood. And as technology has evolved, we started doing it with metal. Work specifically for us here is a lot of tensioning. So when we're setting the towers down and when we're stacking them together, those are all tensioning jobs where we go in with like our high pressurized tools. And we're basically going up and putting the pieces together like Lego blocks. Being a woman in the trades is awesome. Everybody is here to help. There's this idea that people don't think you can do the work, but it's kind of the opposite. I feel like my peers push me really hard to get the work done because they know it doesn't matter, which is awesome.
My name is Bo Nalu. I am a rope access foreman and I work for Optimum Rope Access Solutions. I rig the ropes, tie all the knots, set the ropes, making sure they're safe and they don't get cut on something sharp. The tasks that we usually do on ropes, either cleaning the tower, putting stickers on the tower, being inside, changing our cables. We definitely need good communication with each other, focus on your job and being adaptable. Those 3 skills is something that every rope tech needs for sure. I started my career as a welder in Australia, working in the mines with coal and gold, diamonds and uranium. And then I moved over to America, working from coal to working in clean energy. It's an amazing feeling, and here I am.
One of the best things about working in a new industry is it's really exciting to know that there is about 20 plus years of work for just this project in particular, and then that will continue as more are built.
I'm 21 years old. I just graduated high school 4 years ago. And this kind of feels sort of like a fun high school environment. We treat each other like we're family. And so coming to work is fun. I get to hang out with people that I like, but I also get to do super cool stuff. Being from New Bedford and working in New Bedford is awesome. Like when I'm up in the towers, I'm 250 feet in the air. I feel really grateful that I get to see a view of my city and my hometown that like not many of us get to see. And I feel proud when I can point up to the turbines and be like, yeah, that's me, that's my job. I'd want anybody who's interested in this kind of work to know that it's possible and you can do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.